Hi people, and welcome to my channel. This is Anita, and if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. So I didn't make a video for a long time since I returned from my spring of run away from this mental hospital that I'm in, because a lot of things have been going down and it has been very on the negative side. I have been making a lot of art when I was just returned, and I had a really good time, but then some shit happened and I was moved to a different department, and I will now tell you what happened and how I'm feeling and why I didn't make all these videos and that I wanted to, and why I live in a room that looks different and a different view. I got drunk in something called rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, in my other place, because I was feeling really low and I was feeling really pressured of being back after the 6 months I've been on the street. And I really missed my freedom, and I lost my mind, kind of. I grabbed a brush, and I took one step, and I threatened to hurt her to get out. And I don't remember much, I only remember this. And I didn't mean to hurt her, I never hurt anybody. But then this other guy working there, this man, really not nice guy, really unpleasant personality, and really nasty. He pushed me so she got scratches on her neck, which means that I'm implicated for being hurting her, and I really didn't. I threatened, yes, but I didn't hurt her, but I'm being treated like I did. So they put me in the belt, they fixated me on the bed for 3 days, they took everything away from my room, and they left me to be alone in my own piss, and they gave me food, but they were looking at me all the time, and they just let me, and they really put tight strings around my hands, my belly, and my ankles, and I couldn't move. They took my jewelry out, my earring here, I have a plug in it, my hole's almost grown together. This one is, I was able to put back in, it's a 10, a 0, but this one is like, is down to being maybe a 4 or 6, and they don't want to let me have it. Then after 3 days in fixation or belt, whatever you want to call it, they came and they say you're going to be moved to a different department. And they took me to this place, which looks like this. You come in the door there, there's nothing here. Oh shit, wait, my little mouth, you can fucking up. Oh wait a little, 2 seconds. There's a door, my closet, a little bit of clothes I have, a lot much, a window, a desk over there, and then my bed here. And my computer here. I have my computer and my nothing really. I put this back. And yeah, let me just put this up. And they took me here. This is a place with only boys or men, because they're pretty old, everybody here, and they seem pretty sick. I am confined in my room. I've been here for a little over a week, and I'm confined in my room. There's 2 personal staff people in front of the door at all times. They can hear everything I say. The door is closed, thank God, but they're so loud here, they pretty much can hear everything I say. So they were giving me stuff. Look, my nails. They don't want to let me cut my nails. They look horrible. They don't want to give me anything to write with. I have some colors, some carbon colors, or some whatever. Coal colors, I think, and I have some paper. I have my headphones, my phone, which by the way is new. I got my new iPhone. It's a big one. It's an 8 Plus, and I love it. Yay! One good thing in my life. Anyway, I'm not allowed to have anything. They don't want to give me any makeup. I have 2 lipsticks, 1 primer, 1 foundation, 3 eyeshadows, 1 glitter. I don't know if you have a little glitter, which I use as a highlighter, and I use my pink eyeshadow as contouring as best I can, and my mascara. That's what I have, and tobacco. I don't have anything, and they don't want to give me anything. So this Friday, the doctor said to me that I was going to get some stuff of my things, and then he disappeared, and he didn't give me anything. And I waited now all the weekend, and then I'm waiting to see him today, but then they tell me he's gone on vacation. But another doctor will come and talk to me, so I hope that I can negotiate with this doctor to have some of my stuff, my things, some makeup, some personal hygiene stuff, because I don't have any lotion, I don't have any facial cream, I don't have my nails, I cannot shave, I cannot plug my eyebrows, I cannot do anything literally. And it's just It's fucked up, and I'm really, really tired of it. It was an accident. I was drunk. But what is the worst part of all this? It's not being moved. It's not being in this situation. Is that I was off my medication for 6 months, and I was feeling really amazing. And I have been working 2 years to get off my medication, and now they force feed me medication, and I'm supposed to take a higher doses than I did before. I was on 300 milligram Abilify a month. Now they want me to take 500, and it is like, because I had one episode where I was drunk and I don't remember anything, where I was feeling really bad. They mean I'm psychotic, and I'm not. I'm feeling great, but now they force feed me this medication, and it's like it's gonna take me 2 years to get out of it when I have the chance to get out of it again. And they treat me like I'm really sick. Everybody here, the staff here, is very scared of me. I don't know them. They don't know me. They treat me like I don't know how to explain it. I have to ask every little thing 5 times for a cup of coffee, for whatever. They have to go through with me everywhere. If I go to the balcony to smoke, they have to come with me out. I cannot talk to the other patients. I am being totally isolated, and it is starting to get to me because it's not a pleasant situation. I cannot even have my credit cards. I cannot have anything. Excuse me. They also took my jewelry. I have my ring, but that's what I have, my earring and my ring. I'm feeling very, very lonely. I have a good view. Oh my god. Anyway, on both sides, on this side on the balcony, where there's no window, but on the other side there's a big window, a big balcony. We have the view over the big fjord. It is amazing view. And there I have the view over the city, and I can see a big church, a big famous Danish church, which is called a domkirke. Like a court church, I don't know. A verdict church, I think. Anyway, so that's my life for you, and that's why I have not been making any videos. They give me 4 weeks, and they chose which one. I'm glad they chose this one. This is my favorite. So, but I'm feeling very lonely and very cut off from the world. I have my computer and I have my music. So what I do with my time, I make some artwork. Let me show you what I made of artwork. Let me show you. 2 seconds. Okay, so let me show you. I cannot have any pencils, any brushes, or anything like that. I can only have colors like these. And these are very difficult to be specific with in a drawing, so bear over with me. It's not the best drawings, but I did make some. I made this one, and I worked so hard on the paper because it's shitty paper that there's a hole in the forehead. And I made this one. It's really difficult to work with these colors. Then I made a self-portrait, and this has actually turned out pretty good. Yeah. Then I was supposed to, one good thing also is that I have a friend who works in this hospital as an artist. He doesn't work in the hospital. He just uses some spaces in the hospital to show his artwork. And he's having an exhibition on the 3rd of March in 5 days. And he invited me to show some stuff, so I sent him a lot of graphic designs I made because I can work in Photoshop, and I made some very nice graphic designs with some avatars from a game. But I take pictures of the avatar I create, I use them, and I make different worlds and different. I don't know how to explain, but it's really cool. But I cannot like show you here. You can check me out on Instagram. I'm gonna upload some on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyber or Hyper. I'm not sure. HYBER KHYBER or KHYBER. That's it, I think. Anyway, then I made this one. And I made this one. I'm gonna exhibition some of these drawings, even though they're not so particularly good. But it is very difficult again to work with these colors. This is my mushrooms. This one I'm really particularly fond of, with the 2 dancers coming out of the background. Then there's this one. This is really bad, but it has meaning for me. She's not eating the apple or whatever. She's like kissing it. And we have this little birdie. Yeah, the colors are not showing up too bright. This rainbow kind of thingy. And then this one I was working on, I kind of like this guy, but I tried to draw him like 10,000 times, No, that's a lie. Maybe 5 times. And I'm so into him. I look so much at his eyes, I think, when I'm drawing him, that I cannot get him. And normally I can catch a person like this, but him, I cannot draw him. So it doesn't look anything like him, and it sucks. But yeah, so that's what's been going on in my life. So nothing major, and I don't really feel like making a lot of videos when I'm feeling like this. I am thinking about starting making videos about mental health issues and the legal system of the mental health system in Denmark, because there's so many things wrong with this. In Denmark, you don't get treatment. You're put in a room and then you get medication. There's no, you can talk to a psychologist if you're lucky. You know, you don't get any form of treatment. You're just being medicated, and then you're like being put away from the world. And then you have to fight. I've been here, coming May, I've been here 7 years, and it is too much. I have committed crimes. I know I have done bad things, but I've paid. And now this shit happens, and it's only because they put me here for so long and they don't give me a chance. And I mean, I'm not a bad person. I think you know this by now if you know my channel. And I'm really fighting to keep my, almost try now. I'm really fighting to keep my mood up and keep myself stabilized on being who I am, so I don't break down. They've tried to break me for 7 years, and they keep on continuously trying to break me, and they don't succeed. But obviously, I get emotional at times because I want to fucking hit them. The stuff here is so blank. They like things are so unlogical. I cannot have a pencil, but I can have this, and this means a lot more harder than a pencil. I can break this a step. You know, I have a big chair. But I cannot have a pencil because that's dangerous. I cannot have a lighter. That's logical because I could put things on fire. I cannot go take my own cup of coffee, even though we cannot go and take it together. They have to sit there. Even though we're standing just next to it when we go smoking, we cannot take it. We have to wait half an hour every time for the staff to change position to new is coming out there. Everything is so backwards, and they're so slow-minded, and they're so like this. If you say, but you can see it's logical, even though you have to do your job, you can see it's stupid, right? But they don't agree with you because they're simply like blank. But I don't want to talk about those people because they have big issues. I think maybe I'm the fucked up one, but they're really the fucked up ones. Anyway, you guys, I miss being crazy with my body. I mean, I miss my piercings. I miss everything. I miss my clothes. I miss my makeup. I miss my stuff. But on the other hand, I started doing meditation. I am trying to be a little more spiritual, and I am trying to. Well, I listen to a lot of music, and I'm trying to like make time go by fast. I sing a lot. I started singing a lot. I look out the window, I dance, I sing, I have room to dance, so I dance a lot and entertain myself. That's what I do with my time. Anyways, I told you I got a new iPhone. I got an iPhone, it's an, what's the other phone? I have 2 phones. This is an Apple iPhone 8 Plus, and it is so big. And I fucking love it. I had it for a month or 2 now, and it's really fucking amazing. I love my iPhone. I'm so happy with it. I have my headphones, and then I just party out. I listen to all kinds of music, and I really like to go deep into the music. I listen to a lot of trance, and I listen to a lot of Danish music at the moment, and it's really nice to be able to just fly away. Take me to the moon and let me sing forevermore. Ba-da-ba-ba. Whatever. I don't have the best voice, but I'm working on it. I am considering quitting smoking because I want to work on my voice, but I don't know if it's possible for me, and especially not at this time of my life. And yeah, so yeah, I will be back with a video as soon as I get a chance to, well, have something to say or something to share that is interesting. At this time being, I don't really have anything besides what's going on in my shitty little life. And at least I'm out of the fixation, out of the belt. I miss my drugs, I miss my cocaine, I miss my friends, I miss my life, I miss my freedom. And I don't know what the future will bring, but I hope it will be more positive, and I hope I will see all my sisters and brothers. Love you guys. Take care. Bye. Bye bye.